Okay, so to replace the tie rod end, you're going to need a 15 or a 17 socket on here. And up top here you're going to need a 24 spanner and adjustables, mole grips, whatever you want to get your hands on. The reason why I'm replacing this one is because if you listen, you might be able to see that, but it's wobbling here. Let's move the camera, show you again. Okay, so I decided I've left this to soak with some penetrating fluid, and I've had to get a little bit, you know, imaginative to get this off, because this adjuster, this adjustable spanner just weren't cutting it. So what I've done is I put that on there. Let me move the camera back so you can actually see what I've done. Got a 24mm like close like this. Put it on. Let's move the camera up a bit. And then pull it, there we go, and it just cracked off. And I've done that a quarter turn. Okay, so let's move the camera back. Okay, so I've done that a quarter turn then. I've just nudged it enough, but it's undone. Okay, so now we're going to undo this bottom one, which is 15 and an Allen key. Put the Allen key in, it stops it. It stops the ball joint spinning inside. Seems undone. There we go. Give it a little tap. I can't find my bigger hammer, so I'm going to have to persevere with this. Oh, come straight. Okay, just lift it out of the way. And this is the bit where you need to leave this down, okay, and you count 1, 2 until it comes off. So you go 1, 2, 3, 20, it's 21, 21, okay. I've got the new ball joint. In the description there'll be links to these ones, okay, so you can always buy the same ones I use. So using the same technique, count. Right, I counted that in the right spot. That's all ready to go. So all we've got to do now is pop it back into here. Like so. Nip this up. Okay, a 17 with a nylon locking nut. Just put that on. Use a socket to do it up. And these do up to 40 newton meters of torque, so I'm going to do them up like so for now. There you go. Right, I'm going to go and get my torque wrench and nip these up to the right torque settings. Okay, so I've got my old-fashioned torque wrench. I've set it to 40 Newton meters. Side here, 30, 50, right in the middle, 40. So let's get that on there. Try and do it in one foul swoop. There you go. 24. There we go. And there we go. Make sure everything's tightened up. Job's done. Just check. See, nicely and done. Remember, this one went gone on. It's a 17mm, done up to 40 Newton meters of torque. I'm going to give it all a bit of a clean under here. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you find them useful. The other side of this, okay, so the other side of this on the driver's side is exactly the same as the passenger. There's no left or right side. They're all universal type size. You know, you can stick them either side. Like I say, some of them have got an Allen key in the bottom to stop the ball joint from like moving inside while you're doing it up. This one hasn't. So if you like the videos, hit that thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And solid, no more wobble. All good. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.